Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to explain you how to use a citation management software and giving you the example of one of the software in the industry. So the citation management softwares, they have two major categories. There are some softwares which is proprietary softwares and you have to pay for that, but they are have a very good features. And there are some good software as well, which is open source and freely available. For example, in Zotero, which is one of the very popular software. But on the other side, if you're looking, if you want to willing to pay for the software, which is Endnote, is a kind of a industry lead at this moment. So these are the two the examples. You can see the few examples of the softwares which you can choose. But overall, whatever the software you use, they have a similar logic. So they have a, for example, in case of EndNote, if you want to be see those different steps, uh, what you want to be do. So there are basic things when you download the software or buy the software. You have a two major component. One, install the desktop version, and second one is you need to be installed the plugin for the EndNote. So once you have and software is ready, install and on your machine. So first thing is you need to be either you need to create a new library, or you if you already have a library for the EndNote, you need to be open that one. And then next thing is you need to be bring your references. So how you will add, there are different options usually in the softwares. You can manually add, you can direct import from the journal's website, or they have different methods as well where you can bring that all the information. You don't need to type any reference informations like the name of authors, year of publication, journal name, title, and other things. So they will automatically bring into the software. And once you have your library is updated and you're ready to start writing, so you need to be usually when you use the software Microsoft Word, so what you need to do is make sure you have a site while you write a plugin. So once the plugin is ready, so you can use it with the combination of that and connect the Word document or the document you're working and with the software via site while you write. And once you start writing and then putting the citations over there, inserting those citations, and they will automatically create a list of bibliography at the end of the documents, which you can further you can change the different formatting of those, like APA style, Chicago, or if some number or author and year of publication if you want to use it. So the second part of this video is where I'm going to be demonstrate how to use this EndNote software, and then you can visually see it's very simple. But you, if once you get used to, then you will see the benefit of this using this tool or the software while you are writing some research papers or working on your dissertation. Thank you very much for watching this part of the video. Okay, so let's go try to use this EndNote software for preparing a manuscript for the submission purposes. I have an example recently published a paper, and I'm going to show you how we will prepare the final draft for the submission purposes and how we use the EndNote in this document. This is one of our recent paper. We're an co-author with other two uh, researchers, Nadia Makbul and Dr. Paul Newton. And we have a paper on child labor. So once we have done this, and there is a requirement for the journal to format this list of references according to their requirements. So there's a number system, and there you can see the formatting style, say recommended for the publication. So we prepared uh, this document using EndNote, and once you have this write up, you need to be go to the EndNote, connect with EndNote, and then you can see once you update the document, and you will see how many papers are coming from the library. There are 30 papers, which out of 31, which is connected from this library connected with the document we have it. So if you want to see those 31, so you can just click, and then those papers which is cited is here. And the requirement of this journal is they have a number, as I mentioned. So how you can see, if you see this document, highlight that one, and you will see the citations are highlighted. So these are the numbers. And if, for example, if you want to change this one to APA, so it's very easy. Go to the style, and they have a number of options we have. If you cannot find, select another style, and then even you can make your own style as well, which I will show you in the later stage. So APA 6, let's suppose if you want to choose this one, which is a more common citation style, so we can use it. So when we select this one, this document is automatically updated into the style. So where you can see the author's name and with the year of publication, and it's sometimes up to the four authors, and that's usually um, the four authors. And if after that they will be short their names and combine them into a the word is called EDL. Okay, so in this case, if you see the list of the references, what will happen when you change this? So the list of the references is also updated. I just let me move this one to the next page break. So now you can see this list is automatically updated. So we just need a little bit deal the formatting, and then this paper will be ready to submit if they require the APA style. So we can change the style anytime. Only thing is, once you start writing, you need to be use the software, referencing software, which can help you to format the document in a later stage. Okay, so this is something you need to be see the benefit of this software, and using this one if you want to make a change anything, or if you want to be writing this book, right click on that, and now you have different options. You can change the style of this one, excluding the authors, exclude year, and then sometimes you want to be mention the page number. So here we have the page numbers. If you, let's suppose this is prefixes of, for example, if you want to see the word for example before this one, and within the brackets, so you can modify this one. And if you want to see the page numbers, we can also modify this number. Page number is, let's suppose, 27. So we can see, we can add the page number as a part of that in-text citation. Okay, so they will be making those kind of things. So we can do a lot of things by using the software, and it will help you to prepare a nice document for the submission purposes, and you don't need to worry about error. So in case if you see some errors, or like I just saw one of the thing which I think is unusual. So let's go to the list and see. Uh, there was something which, let me see if I can find it again. So, okay. Yes, there was some character which I think is not exactly the way it should be, but it's maybe I will discuss this one in the next video. But if you want to make some changes, just so if you go back to the references, if you see anything, spellings and names need to be modified, you just go to the editing this one, and now you here you can make those changes if you want to be make any corrections, and then after that correction, if you change those things, and then eventually you can update that one, and update means your references will be automatically updated in your document. So this is the way I would suggest if you're writing your manuscript or of your research work, research document. So try to use reference software, which is very helpful and save the time and then also having a quality work for that. Thank you very much for watching this video.